Good morning, children. Today's subject is science. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 5, food safety. So, today's lesson is lesson number 5, food safety. In that lesson, let's see the chart in which there is a food source, nutrition, and their function we have to see. So, let's see the food sources: jawar, rice, wheat. From that we get the carbohydrates. Yes, which nutrients we get? Carbohydrates. And their function in body what? Providing energy. Already in last year in 6th standard you have studied about the nutrition, okay, and diet. So in that lesson we have studied about the all nutrients and from which foods we get these nutrients and what is the function of there for our body. So it is just for your revision. So from jawar, rice, wheat we get the carbohydrate which provide the energy. From beans and pulses we get the proteins, and it is important for growth and development of body as well as repairing wear and tear of the body. Next food source is oil and ghee. From that we get the fats, and it is important for our body which functioning, that is to provide the energy. Next is fruits and vegetables. Nutrients obtained from fruits and vegetables is vitamins and minerals, and which is very important to give the immunity and resistance, and which help in all life processes. Okay. All constituents of food, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fiber and water, are necessary for the proper growth of body. Okay. However, what will happen if these food material are infested by insects? If it is coming in contact of insects, then what will happen? So let's see some pictures in our surrounding. Okay. In picture A, we are observing that a mice or rat spoiling the grains. Yes. In picture B, we can see a selling of uncovered food. In that picture, we can see a selling of fruit and vegetables in an unhygienic place. Yes, in an unhygienic place. And in that picture we can see the food grains are not properly stored. Yes, because of this all reason. Yes, so what will happen? There is a change in color, odor, texture, quality, taste and their nutrient content of the food. Yes, there whatever maybe the food content is there is a change in their color, odor, taste, their quality, it get changed, and this is called the food spoilage. Now let us discuss about the factors responsible for food spoilage. How the food gets spoiled? What are the reason behind that? So the first factor responsible for food spoilage is natural causes. Yes, means naturally the food get spoiled. As we keep the fruit or vegetable as it is for so many days, so what will happen? The skin of the food material, the skin of the fruits or the skin of that vegetables, it get turns to black color. It get turns to black color and it giving the bad smell also. Yes, their taste also changed, their color also changed. So that is what food spoilage only. Yes, can we eat the like that fruits, okay, which give the bad smell? Can we eat it? No. And it is not a good also for our health as it get spoiled. So that is the first reason for food spoilage is natural causes. The second factor is man-made causes. So in man-made causes what? First one is a wrong handling, as we not handle the food material properly, then means wrong handling. Then overcooking, yes, as we are cooking the food material for long time, there all nutrients get vanished, okay, it get evaporate. Then improper stored, that is, for example, in a damp place, as we are storing the food material in a damp place, after some day it get spoiled. Again, if there is a problem in their transportation from one place to another place, as we have to transfer the food material, and there it, as we not keep that food material or grains properly, then there is a problems for transportation which create a food spoilage. So these are the reasons. So these all are because of that man. So yes, so that is overcooking, wrong handling, then improper storing food, then for transportation. So that is also the reason which are responsible for food spoilage. Some foodstuffs like meat or milk are either acidic or alkaline. They may get spoiled due to chemical reaction. Yes, they may get spoiled due to chemical reaction. And some foods or sometimes if that food material are come in contact with metal also, then also the food get spoiled. Sometimes food stuff may be spoiled due to contamination by microorganisms or insects. Yes, from the surrounding air, water or soil. As the in that food material there is a growth of microorganism, as that food material come in contact with the insects, yes, there is a chance for the food spoilage. See in the picture that bread, as it there is a growth of the what fungus, as it is come in contact with that microorganisms. Yes, so that is the reason for food spoilage only. So these all are the factors which are responsible for food spoilage. Understood everyone the reason behind for the food spoilage. Now let's see the importance of saving the food from spoilage. With the help of science and technology, India has shown great progress in the production of various foodstuff like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. But even so, many peoples in our country and all over the world face the problem of starvation and hunger. On road also we are observing or near temples, so many peoples are sitting, okay, they not have the food for eating. Yes, so they do not get even one meal a day, okay. Hence it is our duty to prevent wastage of food whenever it takes place. Yes, so it is our duty to avoid the wastage of food material. There are two types of wastage of food. Okay, there are two types of wastage of food. These types we are going to see in a next part.